In the previous episode, you witnessed the fierce confrontation between K700A and T100. Now, the powerful machinery scenes are gradually revealed, preparing for a new explosion. Opening with the Bat Caterpillar machine, a typical representative of the heavy engineering machine line, along with the Bat M and MDK2M. The roar of the engine mixed with the sound of iron chains rolling on the ground and rocks, creating a cold power, a symbol of mechanical combat power. If you are also attracted by this power and boldness, do not hesitate to leave number 1 in the comments section. Here's a dramatic scene of a newly upgraded Jeep Wrangler plunging off a high wall. A 2,000-pound Ford powertrain, 38-inch Super Swamper tires, and a custom 4-link suspension make for a formidable off-road machine. Not stopping there, the excavator continued to move from the edge of the deep hole to the bottom, creating a dramatic scene. The engine roared, the excavator moved rhythmically. The crawler crushed the soil and rocks, demonstrating the impressive power and precision of modern mechanics. Following that powerful scene, the scraper is roaring to work on the construction site of the Dubki-Levadki highway. The powerful engine is working non-stop. The scraper's blade tears through the soil and rocks, stirring up dust and the characteristic rumble of modern mechanical power. Comment 1 if you are impressed with the power and stability of this tractor. Witness the dramatic snow-clearing scene of the giant machine. The engine roars in the freezing winter air. The plow blade cuts through thick layers of snow, sweeping away ice. The machine moves forward like a steel beast, defying all the white obstacles ahead. Back in the Vityaz DT-30 and redesigned GTT machines, they roared across the Multinovskoye River in the Khanty Autonomous Region. The powerful engine combined with the amphibious track system created a powerful mechanical spectacle in the frozen wilderness. In video number 5, you witness the breathtaking scene. Now, the mighty machine rushes across the river filled with bustling timber. The engine roars like thunder. The tracks crush all obstacles, creating an epic conquest in the middle of the wild. Unable to take my eyes off this scene, the Euramac 6500M struggled with the roots of the larch tree, the engine roaring loudly without stopping. This giant machine showed great power, crushing all obstacles and overcoming the difficult challenge excellently. In the midst of the non-stop work, the O and KMH6, Koulimanis Edessa's earth-moving machine, is scooping grass from the ditch. The powerful engine operates smoothly, and the flexible and agile shovel quickly sweeps away thick patches of grass, demonstrating the superior power and precision of modern construction machinery. The Jorge Lopez machine is working at the Oyola sanitation ditch. The engine roars strongly, operating stably. The mechanical parts coordinate smoothly, quickly handling soil, rocks, and mud, ensuring the ditch is clean and ready for effective drainage work. Join me as I watch this original car conquer steep cliffs in an exciting and unbelievable way. The engine roars, the wheels grip every rock ledge, the transmission operates smoothly, revealing the power hidden beneath the original appearance. Leave comment 1 if you are excited about these machines. Just when the situation was tense, Al Quiring with the powerful Quiring towing machine arrived. The engine roared powerfully, slowly pulling and recovering the tilted excavator. Mechanical strength combined with precise engineering straightened the machine, bringing it back to work like new. Don't miss the battle between Caterpillar 518 and Timberjack 380B in Croatia. The engines roared fiercely, the tracks crushed the ground, and the two heavy machines faced each other dramatically, creating a powerful and eye-catching mechanical competition. As soon as the accident happened, the powerful engine of the tractor roared continuously, slowly pulling the fallen T-130 bulldozer up. The superior power combined with exquisite technique helped to save the challenging situation. The tense moments when the excavator performs the most dangerous operation, going downhill. The engine roars strongly, the braking and hydraulic systems work optimally, maintaining absolute balance, helping the machine conquer the rugged terrain safely. Every day is like a tense rodeo. The engine roars non-stop in the classic logging work. Power and speed are perfectly coordinated, helping to conquer the time and harsh terrain excellently. Don't forget to leave number 1 in the comments section to follow the next exciting action. Not one to back down from a challenge, the John Deere 1110D roars fiercely, gripping every step in deep mud. The durable engine operates continuously. The optimal traction system helps the machine easily conquer all harsh terrain. The Estrovenga tractor under the hands of Leonardo Fido roars fiercely, breaking all Juquira obstacles.
Yes.
The powerful engine and the optimized transmission system work together perfectly, demonstrating superior strength and skillful technique in every operation. In this tough test, the 2007 Jeep JKU, equipped with a powerful tread-right 315 winch, a roaring engine and durable operation in the VA 4WDA mud puddles. The superior traction system helps the vehicle grip firmly, escape from the mud, demonstrating the machine's superior strength and durability.